My name is Mrs. Floyd, and I am thrilled to have your student be a part of my class this year. We're going to learn so many new and exciting things together. This is my 14th year in teaching, my second year here at Holub, and I have to say that career in technology education is my absolute favorite. I have been teaching this over the past 14 years, and it is truly a part of my heart. I'm very passionate about all of the courses that I teach in CTE, from college and career readiness, where students are able to navigate through different colleges and universities, knowing the difference between the two. Also, the application process, the FAFSA process, what it means to have a scholarship versus a grant, and things of that nature. My heart and my passion, although I do love college and career readiness, would have to be investigating careers in STEM. In this course, the students will be responsible for navigating and exploring the different careers that are involved in science, technology, engineering, and math. They will see firsthand through virtual simulations and walkthroughs about what it means to be in a career that involves engineering, what it means to investigate and explore science, what it means to analyze mathematics. I cannot wait to meet you, and I'm sorry that it has to be virtually, but I am glad that you took the time to come and view my courses. I'm very excited of what is yet to come, and go Holub Hawks!
Hi, welcome to Holub Middle School. My name is Mr. Richardson. I've been teaching here at Holub for 5 years, and welcome to Investigating Careers in Audio Video. In audio video, you will learn how to use the Sony 4K camera, use a green screen, learn how to edit using Adobe Premiere Pro, and have the opportunity to film different events. I look forward to having you in audio video.